Hey everybody, I figured I'd give you guys a quick view of what they're doing to our bridge. So the bridge is over 150 years old, and it's actually only supposed to have been up for like 50 years. So they actually made us a path we can go around, and just to show you guys, they're actually taking the center of the bridge down. You can actually see the pillars. All the way down to the riverbed. It's the riverbed right there where that truck is parked. They got about 70% of the bridge completely dropped. They're hammering right there on the asphalt and concrete to drop it some more, as you can see. It's pretty loud. So this is a section of the bridge that hasn't been dropped yet, as you can see. All the rebar and wiring and everything bundled there. So this is supposed to be the add-on that we're driving on, which is supposed to be the walk path for pedestrians. But they're allowing us to use it until the bridge is rebuilt. So, just a quick little video, guys. Coming back into town after doing a couple service calls. This is the 79. That's the courthouse right there, Superior Court, and then the sheriff station's to the left of that. Sheriff station is that building right there. I guess I'll include it. It's not going to take very long to get back to the house, aka the house shop. I just sped up to the speed limit. Nobody was doing the speed limit. It's a pretty nice day out here. 68 degrees, not too bad. Worked on a 2006 4Runner yesterday. The harmonic balancer, aka dampener, failed. The rubber material and the dampener ended up failing, getting oil soaked, and it wound itself around the snout, crank snout, and destroyed by slapping the crank seal. Destroyed the crank seal. Guy told me he put oil in it literally like 12 miles ago, and it dumped everything. Every ounce of oil it had, it dumped. I drained the oil just to see if there was anything in it, and it dribbled for 30 minutes, and that was it, and it was maybe a couple ounces. I ended up having to tow it 16 miles. It was a little closer at about 20 miles. Got that job done, and then the gentleman told me he's got a bunch of upgrades he wants to do to that 4Runner. He's got a bunch of maintenance he wants done. He wants the water pump and the radiator replaced, and I noticed the radiator is actually it's cracked on the sides, so it is actually leaking. So he wanted to do the thermostat and the hoses while we're there. He said that's going to be in a couple weeks. And he wants to do, wants me to weld up some custom bumpers, some possibly more content for the channel. He wants me to do a bunch of suspension upgrades and a few other things. So he wants me to install and do custom wiring for some ditch lights, as well as a light bar and a bunch of other things. So we got lots and lots of projects coming up on that vehicle, as well as Honda Accord should be coming back 2007, and then we got 2010 Corolla. So we got quite a bit of stuff to do, guys, but just a quick little short update. Get my cigars. So appreciate everybody watching. You guys all have an awesome rest of your day, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I may also have Ulsa Tools links, Anchor links, and Soundcore links below for you guys. You guys have an awesome rest of the end of your November. Today is just November 28th, so there's 2 days left of November. It's Monday. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace! Bunny ears.